Dear friend, today, the Lord has kept before you 3 blessings. As he says in Isaiah 32:18, "My people will live in peaceful dwelling places, in secure homes, in undisturbed places of rest." Yes, these are the blessings the Lord grants you today. When the Lord is pleased with someone, He helps them to enjoy everything He gives them, as mentioned in Ecclesiastes 3:13. Everyone should eat and drink and take pleasure in all his toil. This is God's gift to man and woman also. The Lord also gives rest to His beloved ones, Psalm 127:2. God loved King Solomon so much. That's why he was called a man of rest. I Chronicles 22:9. Solomon himself says in I Kings 5:4, "The Lord my God has given me rest on every side."